Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be giving you this quick natural beat. You can tell me if you love it by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so I did prime and do my brows off of camera, and you guys can go ahead and check that video out on my channel. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced primer to apply that all over my face. And then I am going to be using the Morphe 492 brush to spread that. I'm not quite sure what kind of brush it is supposed to be used for, but I do use that to apply my primer. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline 24-Hour foundation in the shade Truffle, and I'm going to be applying this with the foundation brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to apply that by putting little dots of the foundation all over my face, and then I'm going to spread that with that Real Techniques brush all over my face. And you don't want to smudge it everywhere. You want to pat that into the skin to give you a more flawless look. And if you do have to apply a little more foundation for a full coverage look, feel free to do that. Now I'm going to be going in with my MAC NC45 concealer, and I'm going to be putting that in the highlight places on my face using the Real Techniques setting brush, and those places are under the eyes, and above my cupid's bow, and then on my chin. And then I'm also going to be using my Ruby Kisses concealer brush to apply that on the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques setting brush and apply that concealer all over my face, well, all over those highlight portions of my face. To contour, I'm going to be using an Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to be applying that right below where my cheekbones are. And to see where that is, all you guys have to do is like do the duck lips and apply that directly below where your cheekbones is. And I actually know where that is already just because I have been doing my makeup, or at least practicing for a while. And to apply that, I'm going to be using the contour brush from the Real Techniques, and I'm going to be applying that using an upward motion to spread that into my contour to spread that into my highlight to get rid of that harsh line. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to be applying it with the same setting brush that I use by Real Techniques to apply my highlight. After setting all of the highlight areas on my face, I'm going to be using the Crayon Case notebook, contour notebook in the shade Bobby to set the contour spaces on my face, which includes the lower part of my cheekbones and on my forehead, the top part of my forehead, as well as the sides of my nose. And I contour the sides of my nose to give it off a slimmer shape because I do have a fat nose. To set my whole face Next, I'm going to be going in with the Fit Me setting powder in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. To try and chisel out my contour, I'm going to be going back in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going just to create a line directly under my contour to try to make it look more bolder than what it is. And for some reason, this is my favorite part, blush. I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush. I'm not quite sure what the name is, but I'm going to be using a really fluffy brush from Morphe. It doesn't have a number to it, and I'm going to be using all three of those shades. To do that, I'm just swiping across all three. I'm going to dust off or pound off any excess or fallout, and then I'm going to apply that right above my contour and a little bit on my forehead. And now you see me wiping off the excess Sacha Buttercup powder that I was using to chisel out my contour. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Stila eyeliner pen, and I really like this pen just because it gives off a more sleeker look than many of the eyeliners I have previously tried. So if you guys haven't tried it, definitely try and get it and see if you like it, and let me know down below in the comment section. I create my wings by starting off at the beginning of my eye and then just bringing it up as I go back, not too far up, just a little bit each time. And then I go to the corner of my eye and then drag a diagonal line up, and then connect those two lines by dragging that diagonal line back down, and then I just fill it in. If you guys would like a more detailed with more explanations, please let me know in the comment section, and I will get right on that. For mascara, I'm just going to be using the NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and I'm just going to be applying that on my top lash and lower lash. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Miss 3D lashes, and I'm going to be applying the Duo lash glue onto those. And before applying those, I do let the glue dry for a little while. I blow on it for about maybe 30 to 45 seconds just to give it a more tackier feel than just applying the wet glue on my eye. And to lay my lashes down, I do use my fingers because I feel that it is the easiest. First, I lay down the lash in the center and make sure that it's all the way close to my eye, and then I attach the ends and make sure that that is all together, and then I press the lash all the way down, and that typically gives me the best look for my lashes. Okay, so now on to the lips. I'm going to be going in with my ColourPop pencil in the shade Pitch, and I'm going to be using that to outline my lips. And when I do outline my lips, I typically try to smush them together to just try to get rid of that little harsh line that typically tends to happen when you outline your lips. I wanted more of a nude lip, so I'm going to be going in with some nude lipstick that I received from, well, that I bought from Inglot, and I'm just going to be putting that in the center of my lips, trying to avoid my outline of my brown lip liner. And over that, I'm just going to be putting some clear gloss on that, and this is my finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you could please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. Bye bye.